So I'm just done with Snap Test 2, and those who appeared on the test will agree that this was way more difficult than the first paper. ठीक है, definitely quant was at par, वही जो moderate to difficult quant थी, that was the same this time as well. English, there was some variation, and as I discussed in the video also in the morning, that there were questions like reported speech, okay, and it was slightly a bit different from the one which was in the first slot. So in English it does not matter because more or less people score in a similar range, so maybe 1 or 2 mark difference. But reasoning was very vague kind of thing. There were some like very lengthy questions, especially like there were 3 questions on binary logic, there were questions on blood relations that involved creating a big family tree. Okay, so there were some lengthy questions. Reasoning was again like quite lengthy this time. There were questions like count the number of alphabets and spatial sequences. So I believe that reasoning they'll up the level. Quant was also difficult. There were a lot of questions which were time consuming. There were a couple of questions on Venn diagram, 3-set Venn diagram, 2 questions आए थे. So considering that 60 minutes you are expected to do 60 questions, this was not the level. Okay, I would say that it was somewhere around the Snap 22 level. So definitely the ones who appeared on slot 1 and today as well would say that slot 2 was difficult. Quant had some of the questions were very lengthy, like one of the questions, 2 questions were on Venn diagram. Another question was on heights and distances that required 3D imagination. So that was also a lengthy question. So considering this paper, last year it was the case that slot 2 turned out to be easy. I believe that slot 1 was easier than this one. So definitely like those who appeared on both the slots will agree. So how many of you agree that it was harder than slot 1? जो लोग टेस्ट देखे हैं, please comment that was it harder or do you feel that it was at par? In my opinion, and I spoke to several students also over here, all of them agreed that it was harder. ठीक है, not only the quant was very hard, right? जैसे last time था उससे और ज़्यादा hard थी, because last time there were some questions which were pickable, there were fewer this time. मतलब जो last time था कि मान लो 7-8 आप कर सकते थे, इस बार बहुत कम ऐसे क्वेश्चन थे जो easily हो सकते थे. LR was very lengthy, ठीक है, LR took lot of time and weird questions, ठीक है. So there were lexicographic order, one question, another on order based, and it took a lot of time to figure out that what is that order. Okay, so there were some questions, definitely critical reasoning also there was some questions which would have been lengthy, tricky. I mean, one had to read very well to attempt those questions. So questions lengthy, yes, quant was lengthy. LR difficult in the sense it was lengthy to read. Okay, so cutoff will not come down because they don't do any normalization. So if someone did not appear on slot 1 and appeared in slot 2 today, missed a chance of a comparatively better paper in slot 1. Now slot 3 remains. It's up to us to see on 21st that what will happen on that day. So typically this is the history of Snap. Out of 3 papers, 1 is fine, other 2 are bad. So one is relatively easy, 2 are tough. Like if you just pray that 3 turns out to be easy and you are appearing on 3 also, then you can maximize the score. So definitely the scores I believe would dip by 3-4 marks for most of the aspirants in this paper compared to first paper, because definitely there were lengthy questions, less questions which were sitters both in quant as well as LR. English was slightly different. I wouldn't say that it was very difficult, but yes, again there were 1 or 2 questions which were different from the ones which we had in the past. Okay, so we will be discussing these questions in the evening at 5:30 p.m. Okay, so you can join us then on our YouTube channel, and where we will discuss the questions that were asked, so you can tally your score. Okay, I did attempt many of the questions. Some of the questions I could not, so we will just have a look at them and see that what were the possible answers to those questions. Now slot 3 can't say that it is highly unpredictable. It's a roulette game that you just blindly put bet on 3 exams and try to figure out which one is the easiest. Definitely this was not the easiest. I would just like your comments. I would say that most of you would say that it was difficult as compared to slot 1. So definitely scores will dip. Now जिनने slot 1 नहीं दिया सीधे आज दिए हैं, so they will repent that they should have written slot 1, and the ones who were feeling bad after slot 1 would feel relieved that slot 1 was better than this. Okay, so we will discuss in the evening the questions that were asked, and probably you will be able to compute your scores. So I think the scores would dip down for most of the candidates. Since there is no normalization, the best of the scores will be your actual score for calculating the percentile. Okay, so again, all the best to the people who are going to appear in the second shift. I believe that they would have on similar lines, but let's see. See, there are 6 slots this time, so it is one can write only 3. So it is best of your performance which you will based on which you will get your result. Okay, so we will discuss questions in the evening, and thanks for watching this analysis video.